She drinks water. Wait, she actually pees? This is not just a regular doll. Give her water, place her on the potty, and watch the full interaction. This is a 14-inch interactive drink and red doll. The water flows naturally through an internal channel with no electric pump required. She also features open and closed eyes and interactive sounds. Press her tummy to hear crying, laughing, and baby bubbling sounds. Because the sounds are verbal, no language localization is required. Love this little one? There's a whole lineup of interactive dolls that are even more fun waiting for you. Drop a doll and I'll send you the full collection.